And the last story for today is just some stock market stuff. It's really interesting. So Google launched this Project Genie, which I'm sure people have seen, and it essentially like generates these quote unquote games. I don't know if it's actually interactive or if it's just like a view. I guess it must be interactive because of how excited people are about it, but I haven't actually seen like people using controls or like doing different things. It's just kind of like a demo or like a trailer, where they're just kind of playing on your behalf. But after Google launched this Project Genie, you can see here that like Unity, Epic, and a bunch of other companies dropped a decent amount because the investors are like, games are going to be started being made with AI. But I like this tweet from Sebastian here, who I guess is building a renderer, and he's former principal engineer at Unity and Ubisoft. And he's saying game dev investors don't seem to understand tech, which may be true. He's saying Genie 3 has less than 3 minutes of persistence. It forgets what happened. Environment could be completely different when you return. It doesn't support interacting with anything. Physics interactions seem similar to screen space particles, erratic and not precise. I don't know exactly what that means, but not precise physics and not deterministic, right? Because that's the main thing with AI is like it's very good with generative, but it's not deterministic. And essentially, maybe there's a piece here where you could buy into these companies. I don't know. I'm not a huge investor, but it seems like, dropping 20% based on Project Genie. I don't think AI games are coming anytime soon. If anything, I think cloud gaming is actually going to make more of a renaissance than AI gaming, in my opinion. And it's one of those things where it's like Google was doing Stadia like almost 10 years ago, but they're just always so early to these new innovations. But now cloud gaming, I do think, is going to be a new wave and just something interesting to check out.